For you, and then if we see rain, we'll just roll it up quick.
Right, y'all, we down here at St. Mary's watching Massillon's fireworks, threatening a thunderstorm on us, but we here.
I know.
This ain't the best view, but it's still a good one. Yep, there's the rain. Sit my kneecap. So I got this window open. We get to watch fireworks and a thunderstorm brewing.
Happy 4th, y'all.
I felt it dropping along this way.
Yeah, I mean, no, because it's gonna come. Because them clouds were looking nasty, and if we had stayed where we were on the front lawn of that church, we weren't making it back to this car dry at all. It's not the best view, but it's a decent view, y'all. Best ones were when they had them up at the stadium. And you'd, back in the day, you'd sit at Schrader's convenience store over by Walnut Hills and watch them. I'm sure a lot of you watching this video now remember those days.
What do you think, Isaiah?
I'm liking this.
Yeah, like you said, it's not the best view, not as good as the front lawn, but it's a good view.
Yeah, I mean,
Yes.
we would have had a better view, but at the same time, it's not much getting rained on.
Yeah.
No,
No, our luck would, like we just said, it would be we'd be soaked, not just rained on. Happy 200th anniversary to the city of Massillon. Happy 250th to the country.
please, always.
That's crazy.
I doubt this is the grand finale, but probably the halfway mark.
Clemmy, you see the fireworks?
Yeah. I can't see them.
Says Daddy.
Okay, but I'm already buckled.
Okay, I'm buckling. I'm gonna just check if you ever beaten them. He's coming up to you.
Now I gotta be a better view.
Daddy at work.
Okay, now we're at a real steady sprinkle.
Yeah.
It's going to turn into a downpour pretty soon because it's picking up even now. Like I said, if we had stayed on that front lawn at St. Mary's Church, our luck, we wouldn't just be rained on, we'd be soaked. Them clouds are nasty.
Cool enough, my friend?
Oh yeah.
Good deal.
We were so busy having benders that even the AC couldn't keep up.
Oh, I bet, man.
I just left from over there a little bit ago.
Somebody said they're streaming this somewhere.
Massillon Live, probably.
Yeah. Oh, I bet vendors will probably be showing it down there, won't they?
Probably. Or everybody probably just step outside.
Well, that's true. If you get wet, just go back in the bar.
Yeah, right.
Oh, this is finale?
Maybe.
We'll probably do it early just because. I guess that's why.
Yeah, I'd be trying to get this thing done as a pyrotech. That way I didn't have to be out there. And what's about to come. Normally I'd film this from the rec center. Alrighty, y'all.